How to update the Khan Academy app. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to update this app, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the App Store on your mobile phone. Just like this, then open it. After that, tap onto the search button at the bottom right here, select it. Then simply tap onto the search bar and type Khan Academy just like this. Search for it. Now tap onto the app just like this and open it. Now here you can find the open button. Now if there is the update button instead of the open, simply tap on to update right here and wait for a few minutes and the app will be updated. And that's it. This is how you can update the Khan Academy app. Now you can simply use new features on the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.